Hi, I'm Professor Mike Raup of the University of Maryland at College Park. They call me the bug guy. Sometimes it's hard for me to believe that I could make a career simply studying some of the most fascinating creatures on planet Earth. This year is especially exciting to me because this is the year of the periodical cicada. This year, it's really gonna be a cicada palooza right here in Maryland. They've been underground for 17 years, feeding on the sap of plants. These teenage nymphs are gonna come up out of the ground by the billions. They're gonna make a mad dash for the treetops. The males are going to be singing, and here's what it's gonna sound like. They're going to be trying to find that special someone who could be the mother of their nymphs. After they mate, the females are going to lay their eggs, and in a few weeks, those eggs are going to drop back to the ground, and those little cicadas are going to go back underground and feed again for another 17 years underground. If you really want to help scientists learn more about cicadas, hey, you can download the Cicada Safari app. Photograph those cicadas, send us the data, become a citizen scientist, and help folks like me understand more about some of the most fascinating creatures on planet Earth. So go outside, enjoy those cicadas. It's going to be spectacular.